Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make animated welcome slide in PowerPoint. It's really simple and easy. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here. Make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, select this fill color and go to gradient and select from center. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. Write welcome and change the font and increase the font size. Select the rectangle and the text box. Go to shape format, go to align, click on align center and then click on align middle. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. Right to our presentation. Change the font, make it bold, change the spacing to 20 points and increase the font size. Place it here like this. Now let me select the rectangle and this text box. Then again go to shape format and go to merge shape. Click on subtract and I have to add two pictures now. Go to insert and go to pictures. Select this device. Let me insert these pictures. Click on insert. Go to crop. Select aspect ratio. Make it 16 to 9. Click outside and place it like this. Right click and send it to the back. Now you have to insert another picture and make it 16 column 9. Click on it. Increase the size. Zoom out and place it here like this. Now go to insert again, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape, zoom in and draw it here like this. Go to shape outline, select no outline, go to shape fill, make it black and place it here. And then select this one right here, click and send it backward because this one will go under the shape. Now select this image and the shape, go to animation, go to add animation and click on motion path lines. Go to effect options, select left and change the duration to 6 seconds. Then select this one and drag it like this. Place it here. Then select this animation. Click on the arrow button and place it like this. Make sure the area will be the same. Now you have to select this one, place it like this and select this arrow symbol and place it like this. Again, let me select the shape, go to shape format, go to shape effects, go to shadow and click on offset center. Now you can easily watch the slideshow. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create animated welcome slide in PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.